Do it again, Iz. Do it again. Show Mama how you make that bee fly. Come on. Show Mama. Go. Do it again. One more time. Good girl. Oh my goodness! What'd you do? Are you playing with all your toys?
This is my concern, Gina, and I want you to respond, and then we'll talk to Dave. This is my concern. I'm hearing more and more people say that, and when I
Who's my interactive baby?
let's not talk about Medicare. Let's talk about reforming the whole system.
Who's my interactive baby? You are.